is no stranger to thunderstorms or even severe thunderstorms. We see several every year, so we know the dangers that a thunderstorm can hold. One of those dangers is hail. But how exactly does hail form? Well, take a thunderstorm, for example. The strong to severe ones have an updraft, a pretty strong one too. And that updraft allows a frozen water droplet to be pulled up into the cloud. And eventually it starts pulling up a lot of frozen water droplets. It'll bring it above and below a freezing line within that cloud. And each time it does, it gains another layer of ice. And it starts to build it bigger and bigger in size and in weight. And eventually it's going to get too big and too heavy for that updraft to hold it. So once it gets to that point where the updraft is not strong enough to hold that hailstone, it falls out of the cloud, and that's when we're able to measure it. Now, as in the size of hailstones, they can vary. They can be as small as a 1/4 inch in diameter, which is the size of a pea, all the way up to 4.5 inches in diameter or even greater. In fact, back in the 1800s, Iowa saw a 5.5 inch hailstone, but that is an unofficial record. However, the largest hailstone in the U.S. was recorded to be 8 inches in diameter, and it fell in Vivian, South Dakota in 2010. Now, when a severe thunderstorm is on the way, the size of hail is 1 inch in diameter or greater. So that's when we can start seeing some real damage to buildings and cars if it starts hailing with those thunderstorms. With this Weather Lab experience, I'm Local 5 meteorologist Hannah Dennis.